Hey guys, Zen up here. Today we're checking out this 100-foot construction string light set from JC-LGL. Inside the box we have this cord with 10 of these LED lights on them with carabiners. And this is a 2-prong cord. And I think this is going to be perfect for inside lighting of my new canopy. So, we're going to string those up and see how it looks. Have this plugged into our little power supply here. And look at this. Needs to be all tidied up. Get some loops or something to have these wires connect up like that out of the way. But that 100-foot string is enough to really brighten this whole canopy up. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like at night. It is dark 30 and we're outside and we have our canopy all lit up by these 10 LED lights on a 100-foot string. This whole string is only 130 watts and it is lighting up the entire 10 by 20 canopy like daylight. And this whole thing is being powered by that little inverter. The lights do have these carabiners, but they're too small for these bars. So I'm going to have to get some kind of loop system or something to be able to use those carabiners right and position the lights a little bit better. And I'm going to have to get some straps here to keep this 100-foot of cord wrapped up nice. So let's take this thing out to the pasture and run it out the whole 100 feet. Then we're going to light it up. Look at that. That just lights up that whole area. Let's look at it from this angle over here. Light them up. And you can see me walking down the pasture all the way the 100 feet to the end. Turning around and just picking up the lights and dragging them along behind me because this is really just an extension cord with 10 LED lights attached to it. Baby girl and I were even able to use these lights to help us take down this canopy in the middle of the night. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.